Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this VW Golf. This is a 2014 and it's a Golf 7 Mark 7. I'm going to be resetting the inspection now message that comes up. This procedure will be the same for resetting the actual oil service now that comes up as well. And actually I'm going to do the oil as well because this car, I just serviced this car and it needs to be resetted even though it's not coming up here. So what we need to do is ignition off, press and hold this, and let's just wait for that to go. Press and hold this button here, ignition on, hold it until you get that, and then press that, and now the service has been reset. And I still need to do the inspection, so what we're going to do is ignition off again. We're gonna do the same procedure, so press and hold, ignition on, wait until you get that, then wait a little bit longer until you get that, and then press that 0 button again. And now we should have that resetted. So that message should not come back now until next year, or whenever it's obviously calculated by the car. So that's it, message is gone. You can also check, as far as I'm aware, here what it's due with the car. Hang on, where's the vehicle setup? No, we want the vehicle. In some of these you can actually check. Let me have a look and I'll get back. Okay, I just found the menu now. So if you go to car here, obviously just press the car button there and then press the setup button down here, and then you can scroll down to service there, press that, and that's where you can see the new inspection now is 20,100 miles or 365 days, and the oil change will be in 365 days. And that's how you can double check that that has been reset. So having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.